In our hyper-connected world, blindness is no longer an option. Being unaware of a dangerous malfunction, a security breach, or an emerging trend can lead to financial damage, shutdowns, and the loss of lives. That's where Percepto comes into the picture, with fully autonomous, intelligent, multi-mission drones. If you think all drone solutions are the same, think again. Percepto's unique drone-in-a-box solution changes everything. Place the box, define your missions, and you're good to go. With Percepto, your eye in the sky is equipped with state-of-the-art detection capabilities combined with powerful data processing solutions right out of the box, bringing you actionable insights across a range of tough industrial settings and enabling you to perform remote infrastructure inspection and anomaly detection multiple times per day at minimal cost. Perform round-the-clock monitoring of high-risk facilities and stop unauthorized people and vehicles with computer vision-based detection and tracking. Equipped with thermal imaging optics, Percepto drones work day and night, eliminating security blind spots without creating an unnecessary burden on your ops teams. And get accurate daily output and stockpile assessments, as well as 3D modeling and forecasting. In an emergency event, Percepto is first on the scene, providing situational awareness that can save lives without endangering them. Percepto turns teams into super teams, makes impossible tasks routine, and enables operations to be carried out safer, quicker, and more cost-effectively. Our mission is to make the world's most intelligent drone solutions as simple as possible for a safer, more productive world. We're not just talking it, we're flying it. Through countless missions, from Florida to South Korea, from Chile to Singapore, we make our customers' facilities more secure and more efficient. In a world that depends on a new level of awareness, the sun never sets on Percepto autonomous drones. Autonomous, intelligent, simple. Percepto.